Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video you have given question a plus bc is equal to 2024, ab plus c is equal to 2023, and you're supposed to find value of a, b and c, where a, b and c are the value of natural number which is greater than 0. Let's provide the solution very quickly. And here we have to copy what we have, because we have given a, then plus bc is equals to 2024, and here ab plus c equals to 2023. And of course you know that by naming, this is equation 1 whereas this is equation 2. And of course these questions they have different ways we can solve them, but for me I'm going to use myself, right? We can take equation 1 minus equation 2 to get what? Of course here we have a plus bc, then of course minus ab plus c, which is equal to 2024 minus 2023. And of course here we have a minus here plus bc, and when we multiply here inside we get minus ab, then minus c equals to 1. By grouping right terms we have a plus bc, right? Then of course here minus c plus nothing we have changed. Let us write this one. By changing them we have a minus ab, then minus c plus bc, which is equal to 1. By factorization here, because a is common, we have a, open a bracket of, then we shall get 1 minus b, then here by factorizing c, negative c, open bracket of 1, then here minus b, then close bracket, which is equal to 1. Then here you can write a minus c times 1 minus b equals to 1. Then here, what are you going to do at this stage? We are supposed here to say that here a then minus c equals to 1, right? And of course here we have 1 then minus b, which is equal to 1, and of course negative b minus here, which is equal to 1 minus 1. Then here negative b will be a 0, where negative here b does not equals to 0 according to the condition we have given. So of course we can come up to this equation we have right here, and it says that a minus c and 1 minus b is equals to, this one can be equals to, have to come up right here, we say 1 is equals to, here it is 1 times 1, and you have seen that when you have positive number you can get a value of b which is equals to 0, and here 1 is equals to negative 1 times negative 1. That's why we're going to say this a minus c is equal to then times 1 minus b is equals to this value of 1, which is equal to negative 1 times negative 1. Okay, that is what we are going to say. A minus c will be negative 1, and 1 minus b will be negative 1, right? Then here negative b will be negative 1 then minus 1, whereas negative b will be negative 2, then b will be a 2. And of course, we shall remain with this equation, which we are going to solve them simultaneously with. Have to write a minus c is equals to -1, and we are going to solve simultaneously with this equation a, then plus bc, which is equal to 2024. Then here we shall subtract, then this we shall be cancelled to get negative c minus, then minus bc, which is equal to -1 minus 2024, right? And of course here, this is what we have. We have negative c, then minus, here we have b, which is equal to 2, minus 2c, which is equal to negative 2025. And of course, negative 3c will be negative 2025 by negative 3, then by negative 3, our c will be equal to 675. From this equation we have right here, we're going to find the value of a. We have here a minus c, which is equal to -1, a, then minus 675 is equal to -1, right? Then here a will be -1 plus 675, and of course a will be 674, as to look like this, right? In here, our value of a is equal to 674, b equal to 2, and c equal to 675. We have to check if the value of a and b and c, if they are correct, because we have given a, b plus c will be 2023, right? Let us start like that. And a plus bc will be 2024. We're going to check each equation. We have a, which is equal to 674, right? Then times 2, then plus 675, right? Which is equal to 2023 question mark. And of course here, from here we have 8, here have 4, 1 here 13, plus 675, of course, and of course here we shall get 3, 1, this is 11, 12, 1, and of course this is a 9, 10, 1, this is and of course this is 1, it is 2, right? Of course here we have 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, which is correct. And from this one here we have a, which is equal to 6, 7, from here 4, then plus 2 times 6, 7, 5, which is equal to 2024 question mark. And of course this is 7, 6, 7, 4, then plus this and this, we get 1, 0, right? 1, 14, 15, 1, and of course this 12, 13. Of course this and this get 4, this and this we get 12, carry 1, and this, then 2024. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.